Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming the keyboard's physical outputs and the exact iPhone connector you have. If the keyboard is class-compliant USB, you'll use an Apple camera adapter. If it only has 5-pin Midi, pick a USB Midi interface. Once done, decide if the keyboard needs external power. Many bus-powered units require a powered USB hub or a keyboard power supply. Now gather cables, the adapter, and any hub. Make sure your iPhone is unlocked and ready to receive a connection. You plug the keyboard into the adapter or Midi interface, then plug that into your iPhone. If you use a powered hub, connect it between the keyboard and adapter and turn on power. Once connected, unlock the iPhone, launch your DAW or music app, and allow any permission prompts. In the app's Midi settings or device list, look for your keyboard. You may need to enable it as an input. If notes don't register, try a different cable or confirm the keyboard's Midi channel matches the app's input. You finish by testing note input, velocity sensitivity, and any pedals or controls to ensure everything maps correctly. If controls are off, consult the keyboard's Midi CC chart and remap within the app. In case nothing appears, disconnect and reconnect components, try a known good cable, and verify the adapter is Apple certified for Lightning or USB-C. One key troubleshooting tip: if Midi shows as connected but no sound, reboot the app and the iPhone to clear permission or driver states.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.